Howdy y'all, Shannon from Creative Chaos in Tennessee, and today we are back with day 22 of May I Scraplift You. Today's featured creator is Crafty Maggie, and I will pop the layout up on the screen that I am scraplifting. So today I am still using the Simple Stories, Simple Vintage Life in Bloom collection. We are down to the bare minimum almost. So I have been bringing in a few other cardstocks, colors, using inks to stretch the collection. And hopefully we can make it to the end of the month with what I have left. So I brought in these cardstocks and this one. This is actually from the collection, as is this sticker. And this is my pattern paper from the collection, and I just cut it. And I hand drew some truffula trees because today we are doing a layout about the Lorax. So these are pictures of Brooke. She loves to bake stuff, so she wanted to make a Lorax cake. And so she actually baked this cake by herself and decorated it and stuff without any of my help, because normally I'm helping her. And I was thinking, it's been, I think, more of a challenge to find pictures that will go with the collection than making it stretch for me. But I was like, okay, these Lorax pictures are perfect colors, but I don't have any Lorax embellishments I could use. But then I got thinking, and this is a stamp that Blake made at school this year. They had to do some kind of propaganda project, and this is not in this saying is not in the movie. It says, if the Lorax is armed, the trees can't be harmed. It's actually something that Brooke made up, and now they say it all the time. Just, you know, they're teenagers, so anytime they hear about any injustice or whatever, they're like, if the Lorax is armed, the trees can't be harmed. And it's just become a thing around here. So then Blake created this stamp based on Brooke's little saying. And so I actually stamped it out and colored it. But this is the stamp that he made. Of course, it has ink all over it. But I'm not sure what kind of material this is. It don't stick to a stamp block or anything, but it's kind of like the rubber stamps, but it's not. It's almost like a, I don't know, a silicone or something. I'm not sure. And I'm sure Blake could probably tell me if he was here, but he's not. But, I mean, I was like, okay. So, kind of two things, two birds with one stone. Her cake pictures and his stamp, and they're both going to go in the scrapbook. So, as you can see, the layout is pretty much like a grid layout that she did. And I took and backed this, I put this matted, I should say, but I did cut the center of it out so I could use the cardstock for somewhere else. And because I'd already cut this one also to back and create the grid on to kind of symbolize like what hers is. So, I want to bring in some of the blue because I have blue that I colored in the stamp. She has blue in the cake. So I wanted to bring in some more blue with all the orange. So I'm going to use peacock feathers. And I'm just going to do my basic smushing technique that I always do. So just put that on there. Oh, gotta find my water. Alright. And I'm just going to smush it around a little bit. Ooh, it's coming off. Okay. And it don't have to be, you know, super great, but I'm kind of just going to keep it away from, I mean, I have to put it on the edges, but I don't want it to get on the orange if I can help it. Because then it'll just become probably brown if I had to guess. Okay. I'll add a little bit more. Okay. I think that's going to be pretty good here. And I think I want to put just a few black splatters since I do have some black in the collection. So, I have played along with this all month with using up these collections. And I know a lot of you guys don't like or don't do mixed media. But I'm just curious to know if you've watched and you normally don't do mixed media, has doing this to stretch the collection inspired you any to try it yourself? Okay, and then I'm going to put this down. Like I said, I already knew that it was going to just be showing a little bit of it. Alright, there's that part. And then I'm going to go ahead and add these in before it dries up. Let's see. Hold it up for a minute just so I can kind of eyeball it and line it up equally. Alright, and then I'm just going to start placing my pictures. And I'm not going to glue all the way to the top of this one because I kind of want to have a pocket. I'm going to glue all the way up here so it'll hold it in. And that way it won't be falling off the page to hold my tags in. And I have this to help bring the blue in also. Okay, so there's our basic. And then, like I said, I just hand drew these truffle of trees. So, let's see. be like that. I think I'm going to put this here. And then still leave this so it can go here. That way I can do my journaling. I'm going to tell the little story of everything. Let's see, I kind of want these at different lengths. I think I like that. Okay, I think I'm going to just put some foam tape on these to pop them up. And give it a little bit of dimension. And I don't mind if this is sticking up off my page. You could totally trim it down, but since I use top loading protectors, it'll be fine like that. Okay, and then I'm just going to glue these down. Alright, and then I just have these two tags. Like I said, I can journal my story on here. And I think that is going to be the layout. I will have the playlist linked below, and also a link to Crafty Maggie, so you can go check out her channel and show her some love. And I hope you guys have enjoyed this. Let's see if I can show you up close. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed this, and until tomorrow, bye y'all.